Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. This is Mama Akram and you cordially welcome to Iqbal Virtual Academy. First of all, happy birthday to Qaid Azam and happy Qaid Azam Day. May his soul be in peace and rest. He was really a great man and really a great leader. Anyways, we have to continue our lecture. Today what I'm going to tell you is something new. Like many people are operating their MS Office with the help of the control shortcut keys. But today I'm going to tell you something new. We have to operate the shortcut keys with the help of the Alt button. It is too easy. First of all, what we have to do, we have to press the Alt button, a long press on it. Here we can see these characters. We got these characters, right? So we can, like, let's suppose I want to save this document. So I will press the F. So here I got the file menu, and if I want to save it, so here we can see these options, right? So if I want to save, so I'll I'll click on the S button, and here we have got to save it. We can name it and save it. There are also some other application of this, like you can then go on with it, you can further go on with it, whatever you want to do, but we are going to I'm just sharing this with you. Let's suppose I want to center, let's suppose, like, you can see, if I want this to be I want to do something with this. If I want to go to the home tab, right, I went to the home tab and I want this text to be bold, so simply I'll click the 1 and we get it bold. It was already bold, so it got unbold. Some other applications, let's go to home tab again, and I want to underline this, so simply I'll be clicking the number 3, and here we got the menu for the underline. Whatever we want, we can apply. You can go on with this, you can enjoy with this. That was our lecture. Thanks a lot for listening to us. Take care.